very good afternoon. Welcome to the Hong Foundation Conceptual Wetlands. My name is Lisa, and I'm an animal health here in the forest. So we will be named after our general special in a fox with special habitat where one is your female domestic. So when we start from wetlands, it's easy to tell that the true color for the greenery is red. Hence, the every holiday species that our migrant animals, our scarlet macaws and scarlet ibiscus were red is their main student color.
They're quite similar.
For migrants, the near purpose green refers to species that you see, especially when you enter from the mainland China. During and white. So we spend more time here at Singapore Wetlands to walk around and take look at the greenery and find out beautiful things. So to find out more about there's a lot of research videos for the birds. I think it's really interesting. It's great for the working area, and on days where it's really hot, it's a good cooling area for the birds. So the water is cooling, there's this power that is inside. And of course, the main highlight here will be all the various different bird species we house in our individual. But for today, we'll be talking more about our macaws. Right? So right in front of me, there is our macaw super top area. So that you can quite a few different species of parrots coming down, and I'll introduce to you. I'll introduce them all to you. So macaws, what are macaws? Right, macaws are actually a group of parrots that are native to Mexico, Central and South America. So I say that macaws are parrots, that's actually true, because under the parrot family there's actually a lot of subgroups. Macaws happen to be one of them. We also house other species like Macaw, parrots, or in other areas, for example, like Royal, we even have lorries, cockatoos as well. Right. All these birds, in fact, of all their fancy names, they all belong to the same family which they see these parrots. So they have a lot of little small family groups under the big family name. So in the world, there are actually 17 different species of macaw. And in conserved wetlands here, we're actually lucky to house 11 species of them here. Right? So let's look at macaws. So generally macaws are usually large-sized birds. They all have the long tail feathers, and of course they have beautiful colours, right? Blue, green, red, yellow, all different kinds of beautiful colours. This actually makes them one of the more recognizable group of birds in the world. So let me introduce to you a few species you guys are looking at right now. So the ones I mentioned earlier, our beautiful red macaws, these are our scarlet macaws, right? They are the ones with the beautiful red, yellow, and blue on their wings. For those who know parrots a little bit more, there's another species called the green-winged macaw. They look pretty much quite similar, other than the difference in their size. They have a bit of red patterns on their face, and of course, instead of yellow on their wings, they have green instead. Hence the name green-winged macaw. Like we do have 3 individuals free flying around here. So we spend more time